This literature kit on The Grapes of Wrath by John Steinbeck monitors student reading through study questions and discussion starters. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Identify industries other than farming that may be affected negatively by drought. Match vocabulary words from the text to their meanings. Students put themselves into the story and imagine traveling along with the Joads and what it would be like to live in the encampments. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as creating a handbill advertising the many jobs, good wages, and great living conditions being offered out west. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Determine the parallels between the expositional and narrative chapters in the book, and identify plot elements for each in a structure graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.